Okay, so the next drink we're going to make is called matcha milk. And for this, you're going to need 3/4 a cup of water. And then you can use any kind of milk, 1 1/4 cups. I'm using oat milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, regular milk, whatever you would like to use. A tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of our matcha powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so just like last time, the first thing we're going to do is add water to something you can shake. It's a jar with a lid. If your parents have a cocktail shaker, you can use that. And this is because we don't want the matcha powder getting all clumpy. And again, I'm going to use my little strainer and add 2 teaspoons of the matcha powder to the water. One, 2. Okay. And then I'm going to tap it so it goes into the water. No goodness, little clumps there. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to shake it. So make sure whatever you have it in has a very nice lid. I'm going to shake it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, that's all incorporated. It looks like green water. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add to this, I did it so tight I can't open it now, is my sweetener. Now, the recipe calls for maple syrup. You could probably get away with using honey if you wanted to. And it calls for a tablespoon, which to me is kind of a lot, but we'll go with it. Okay, and then you're just going to put that in there. And I'm going to put in my pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon. And then I'm going to shake it up again, just a little bit. So all of my ingredients are incorporated. Okay. Now we add our milk, the milk of your choosing. 1 1/4 cups. So there's 1 cup. Oh, I'm just gonna make it. Okay, since I don't have enough room in my shaker for the 1/4 cup, I'm just gonna add it to my glass later. So, that up again. Oops. And add this to my glass. So I guess I couldn't fit the extra 1/4 cup, so my fingers are crossed that this tastes good. And that's it. So here's your matcha milk. Another great drink that you can use for St. Patrick's Day without using any green food coloring. Let's taste it. It's pretty good. Yep.